go to go fly one. Oh, go to fly.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Okay. Go fast. I'll tell you to we flow.
Okay, you tell me when to go.
I'll tell you what to go. Three.
Should I go now? Here I come.
Go, go.
Slow?
Yeah.
How slow?
Can see.
I know. See, look. That's the playground. Okay, should we run? Let's go. Let's run.
No, to Tory. Flow.
Okay.
Flow.
You tell me.
Flow.
All right, here we go. Can I run now?
No, Tory. Flow.
Okay.
The windy for you.
Okay, I'll go slow. Which slide should I go down?
Wow. Got it.
Which slide should I go? Can I go now?
Can
Can I go now?
I go first. So fast.
How slow?
Well,
I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run.
I'm too slow.
Okay, I'll go slow.
Slow.
Oh, slow.